Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a shirt, and I love these way they come packaged like this. Look at how compressed it is, and watch what happens when I open it. It makes it, I guess they can pack 1 million of these things in at once, but look at this. And there it is. It's like actually it's not a shirt, it's a Windbreaker jacket, but I'll show you guys what it looks like here. It's like a half zip one here. Let me take off this tag just because it's gonna get in the way. Well, now it's got the string. Okay. And I don't know what color this is, but you guys can tell me, but this is what it looks like here. And it looks super comfy and everything like that. Nice like Windbreaker light jacket. I'm gonna put this on. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me over with my microphone. Put it on there. Let's show you guys. I got a large, and I am 5'10" and I'm about 190 pounds. Definitely need to lose some weight. But this is what it looks like here. It's a good size. It looks like it's got a pocket up front here, so I can stick stuff in there. It's pretty big. I could stick, oh no, this is a big, huge microphone case, but it would fit in there. So I could put something big in there if I wanted to. My wallet, some stuff like that in there. And then I've got the stringy thing here, so I could cinch up the bottom. Let's see if it says anything else with it here. Not really, but okay, but let me see. It's got, the arms have a little bit of bungee to it as well. And let me see what else we got here. This would be good for like biking or anything that I want to do where I kind of want a light windbreaker, but I don't want to have it super heavy duty. I'll show you here in a second. I'll take it off and show you guys how thick it is. But it's nice, and then it can zip up as well. So really cool. Okay, so fits me really well, perfect size. So large if you're about 5'10" and 190 pounds for sure. So this is what it looks like here. And you can see it's got that kind of a, strong windbreaker-y kind of feel to it. I'm gonna say probably not waterproof, but windproof, I would say is how I would say this. And let's see, what does it say here? It says it is made of 90% nylon and 10% spandex. So that's what gives it a little bit of stretch to it as well. So if you did go to the buffet and ate too much, you would have the ability to do that. Inside, you can see that's how big the pocket is there. Just kind of show you there. But it looks like it's really well made, stitched well. It looks like it had a nice look to it. Probably looks better than the shirt I'm wearing now, because I dress like a child when I'm wearing my shorts and stuff, but this is what it looks like here. So I like this. I really like it a lot. So it looks good. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure. Really good. And you can see here, this is how far down it goes. It goes down to just about mid-butt. So there we go. Really good. Arms are a good length. Everything's good. Thumbs up for sure. I like it.